Well, hello everyone. This is Catherine, otherwise known as Kerr Abelson, and I can't sleep, so I might as well show you the dried pieces from the Battle of the Blacks, or whatever. So, there is this one, which, okay, was done in the non-ultra photo paper, and as you can see, things stuck to it, it ripped, it buckled. I call the photo paper a fail. I do not know whether I can salvage this because I don't like the way that's bent, and I'm not sure that, anyway, this may be destined for the bin because I can't really see little bits that I would like to turn into jewellery either. That is a lump, but and that's another lump. It's interesting to look at the silver in the white. I don't know whether you can see it reflecting. Here we are. Let's see. So, that's a downer. Right. The next one. Similar problems. Rips, tears, and crumples. Again, we've got some interesting stuff with the silver and the gold. I don't know if you can catch that or whether it's too bright. We've got some rather interesting lacing here and here. Some odd things going on here, but the gold still managed to stay there, so that's nice. This is a maybe. Last one, the dip, the one that I had the most hope for. Well, it dried darker. It was initially a lot lighter. But we've still got cells and definition. Well, that bit there was something knocked against it. Oh well. Still some tiny cells. Really like that bit. Interesting, the silver here, particularly here, has sort of gone jagged. Maybe that's because it's metallic. But you can, I don't know if you can see the silver glittering. Again, very subtle colours, as one would get with doing black and white. There's some more silvery going there. So, not sure what I will do with this, but I won't throw it away. And this was the ultra premium Kodak paper, and I've since discovered that you can get ultra premium in gloss as well as satin, so that's not a difference. I do prefer the Saturn though. And I have ordered Officeworks for more. So, I know I should be all excited or something, but it's the middle of the night. And I think one of the lessons is don't expect metallics to behave like normal paint, which I already should have known. Anyway, there's some tiny little glitters from iridescent there. The more you look at this, the more detailed it is. But because it's all blacks and greys, it's rather hard to see. So that's the results. So remember, wherever you go, there you are.